We've been running the Acerbis swing-arm protectors on our bike for more than a year now. I just want to show you how easy and convenient it is to remove. The biggest objection people have to a swing-arm protector is that it's usually boppered on with zip ties and it becomes unwieldy to remove. With the Acerbis system, it's magnetic, so you can see that section there. Under here, there's a big round magnet, and it's held on with simple rubber bands like that. I'm going to show you quickly how to remove it, clean, and you can reassemble again. So it's held on with this little rubber thing that is affixed to the actual swing arm. You can see it mounts at the bottom here. That's the secret. It's got a little magnet inside there. You pull this out like so, slide it off backwards, swing arm off, and you can clean it nicely underneath. When it's clean, we'll pop it back on again. So once it's all cleaned up, you can have a look. We got the mud out. It's got a little washer key inside there, and there's your magnetic fixer. It's on the swing arm, and that's held on with your traditional cable ties. To refit, it's very simple. Make sure that the rubber fitting doesn't get in the way. You can see it's permanently affixed to the swinging arm, and you can see that the swing arm has protected from rocks and things through the year. Very simple. Make sure this is out your way. Slide it back on again. Clip it into the magnet, and make sure it lines up on those two little fitment things. Then you take the rubber key off here. I use a little blunt screwdriver. Don't scrape it on the swing arm. You pull that up like this, and Bob's your uncle. Nice snug fit. It's not going anywhere. We've ridden the bike for over a year with these protectors on. I like it a lot. Available at your dealers. It's from Acerbis. Give them a shout.